Once upon a time in a small village, there lived a young man named Siddhartha. Siddhartha was content with his life, living in the comfort of his family's large estate, surrounded by luxury and indulgence. He had everything he could ever want, and he spent his days in leisure and pleasure. One day, as Siddhartha strolled through the village, he encountered a group of monks who had renounced their worldly possessions and were living a simple, ascetic life. Intrigued by their peaceful demeanor and radiant faces, Siddhartha approached one of the monks and asked, "Why do you live such a life of simplicity and austerity? Is it not difficult to leave behind all the comforts and pleasures of the world?" Siddhartha was both intrigued and challenged by the monk's words. He realized that despite his wealth and comforts, there was a restlessness deep within him, a thirst for something more meaningful. Inspired by the monk's wisdom, Siddhartha made a life-changing decision. He resolved to leave his luxurious life behind and embark on a journey of self-discovery. Leaving his family and possessions behind, Siddhartha set out into the unknown. He wandered through forests, crossed rivers, and faced various hardships. Along the way, he encountered different people and experienced both joy and sorrow. Despite the challenges, Siddhartha persisted on his path, seeking answers to life's profound questions. The story of Siddhartha reminds us that stepping out of our comfort zones might be challenging and uncertain, but it is the path to true wisdom and inner peace. Embracing discomfort with courage and an open heart allows us to grow, learn, and ultimately find a deeper and more meaningful purpose in life.